Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So now we are going to deal with basic structure of Latex command. Keep in mind that every Latex command starts with backslash, except this percent sign. So what percent sign actually means? When you put some percent sign on the beginning of a line, that line is going to be ignored by compiler or commented. After backslash, you are going to provide actual command name like use package and then these squiggly brackets, and what goes between these squiggly brackets goes argument for that particular command. Like in this case we have input enc, but not only that, you could provide one package name for this use package command, you could provide multiple names separated with comma. So this is going to be second and another and so on. But why is this not the best solution in most of cases? Well, in most of cases you would need to provide some description for that argument, and that is exactly what it goes between these angle brackets, description for an argument, and not all of packages could accept this kind of description. So when you actually need to import some package that needs special description, use another line for it. And not only that, we could provide only one argument to our command, we could actually provide two arguments or more, depends on command itself. And now you would ask, if percent sign actually is commenting entire line, can I print percent sign out in some way? Actually you can, but you have to use escape character. And what is escape character? Nothing else but backslash. So in order to print percent sign out, you will have to type backslash and then percent sign. And if I save this content, you are going to see that we got our percent sign in here. And now another thing needs to be clarified, this double backslash sign. If backslash sign is actually escape character, this could mean that we are going to print backslash, but no, double backslash actually means a new line. In order to print backslash out, what you have to do is to type command backslash text backslash, and if I save this content, you are going to see that we have our backslash printed out on the beginning of this paragraph. So that's all for this episode, guys. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.